To tuck or not to tuck when you're plus sized? That is the question. I'm going to give you the ugly truth. Bonjour French chic ladies. In my previous video, I gave you 7 looks that scream old lady. That video blew up, but I was not prepared for the backlash in the comments. Stick around to see what was said. Surprisingly, the biggest backlash was not about old age, but about the tuck. Here's a reminder about what I said. Even worse than wearing oldie worldy florals or paisleys is wearing those over your pants or skirts. This is not a youthful chic look. Not only that, but this highlights your tummy or your love handles. So what can you do instead? Well, just tuck the front of your top inside the waistband or tuck the whole thing in all the way, and that will highlight and create your waistline, makes you look younger and slimmer. Over is over. The anger in the comments was astonishing. For those of you who don't know their French tuck from their front tuck, here's a video I did about this very topic a while back. French tuck, hold that just behind here on the front, okay? And roll the edges like this, and here you are. It is tucked in, but it gives you more of a feminine line, shows off the waistline, you know, it's a bit more relaxed. Look at me rolling. You can put your hands in your pocket like this, yeah. And you can, of course, you know, do it to the side. Again, you would tuck one piece here, roll the side like this, relax, yeah. Pretty uncontroversial, you might think, but think again. Now to those comments. I was called a skinny bee who should stay in her slim lane. I even had the F word thrown at me in the comments. And all the negative comments were about the front tucking for plus size ladies. It's impossible. It's uncomfortable. It's impractical. It doesn't work for anyone other than, I have to actually read that to you, undernourished know-it-all who looks like a man with a bold cut hairdo who thinks they know how we plus size ladies should be styled. F-O. Yes. Seriously. All in all, I was told I didn't know what I was talking about. I did a quick internet search to back up what I already knew. Page after page after page of beautiful plus size ladies who, shock horror, tuck their tops and love it. If you still don't believe this skinny bee, let's see who else agrees with me. Here is a lovely lady I want to give a real shout out to. I know many of you watch her. She's a beautiful lady with a beautiful heart. Cathy of Cathy Over 50 on YouTube. So what does Cathy say about tucking? She tucks, and doesn't she look fantastic? She deserves far more than her 87,000 subscribers. So after finishing watching this video, head on to her channel and help her get her silver play button. And Susanne from Becoming Her Wardrobe. She tucks, and doesn't she look fantastic? And then there's a lovely Melissa Jade from TikTok. She tucks and she loves it. And Jackie from Reddit. She tucks her top and she looks amazing. Tucking for these lovely larger ladies was a revelation to their style. They wouldn't believe it would work, but when they tried it, it did. I'm not here to tell you when something is lovely, when it isn't. I am not going to agree with you when you gang up on me. I am not going to apologize when I give you the honest truth. And I'm going to continue giving you style tips as a professional stylist that I know work. If you want to be the best version of yourself and be told the brutal truth, then stick around. To see the things that scream old lady, watch here. For more shocking comments, see here.